just go to the search panel and click on Bluetooth, and it will appear with the Bluetooth and other device settings, and click on it and it will appear with the Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Try to search add Bluetooth or other devices. Click on it and search the Bluetooth device, and if you have the Bluetooth device, it will appear on the top. Mine has AirPods and I'm trying to connect, but it can't connect. Having problem with the connection. Let's try to close the Bluetooth option, turn it on again, turn off the Bluetooth option, go to the control panel and go to the device and filters, and here you can get your dongle and click on hardware and try to update your Bluetooth drivers one by one. Double click on the first one and go and click on drivers and try to update the driver with the clear font with the Bluetooth device name. Double click on it and go to the hardware and click on advanced audio distribution profile sync. Double click on it and go to the driver and try to update the driver with the compatible driver with the Microsoft Bluetooth A2DB source. This is the one, and it will help Bluetooth device to connect with the